Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
1. I passed the exam. I worked hard. A. Because. B. Otherwise. C. Hence. Two. I don't like coffee. I like tea. A. So. B. But. C. While. Three. She has many toys. She has a lot of friends. A. And. B. But. C. While. Four. I tried out for the basketball team. I didn't make it. A. But. B. And. C. So. Five. I want a bike exercise. A. And. B. For. C. To. Six. He runs faster, me. A. Than. B. After. C. As. Seven. Let me know. You're going to the hospital. A. If. B. Or. C. But. Eight. I was sick. I didn't go to school. A. As. B. So. C. Because. Nine. The weather was cold, we went to the mountain. A. Though. B. Although. C. Even though. Ten. Work hard, everyone else is playing. A. When. B. Where. C. That. Eleven. Are you staying at home today? Not. A. And. B. Or. C. But. "12. I don't want to do it, they give me gold. A. Therefore. B. And. C. Even if. 13. He decided to swim in the sea. The weather was nice. A. Because. B. But. C. So. (14) She usually studies in the library, at home. A. And. B. But. C. Or. (15) It was late, we decided to go. A. Though. B. As. C. Because. (16) I will go to France. I can learn French. A. Since. B. Because. C. So that. (17) I haven't seen that movie, so don't tell me how it ends. A. So. B. Yet. C. Hence. (18) We arrived shortly, 9 o'clock. A. Before. B. After. C. When. (19) Everyone else, he was happy to go to school. A. Unless. B. Unlike. C. So. (20) Kev, Sandra are friends. A. Nor. B. But. C. And. (21) She asked him to stay, he had to go to work. A. So. B. But. C. Hence. (22) I won the competition. I tried hard. A. Otherwise. B. Hence. C. Because. (23) The movie was very long. I am very tired now. A. But. B. So. C. Because. (24) He ate ice cream, cake. A. Or. B. But. C. So. (25) The man was wearing red, blue clothes. A. But. B. And. C. While.